serious question. Should you really consider buying this Terra Luna token again after its disgusting crash? This thing's still falling at the time of recording this video, 92 pence. I'm going to break it down with you because I have a theory, and this is not financial advice, but me and my patrons, we bought a similar crash back in June of 2021, last year. And yeah, I just want to show you my verdict on this. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Like I said, this isn't the financial advice. And when it comes to crashes like this, especially when you're dealing with stable coins and pegged coins and stuff, you have to really consider what you do with your money, because it becomes an extremely high risk token, a high risk area when it comes to making money. Now for me, when I look at Terra now, I can't see it as a long-term hold. Why? Because Terra was supposed to be this new ecosystem of decentralized stablecoins and showing us or giving us a better opportunity to be holding our funds into a safe space whilst the market crashes. But how can that be safe now? How can it be trusted? Not investment advice, I'm just saying, how can it be trusted when the stable coin is crashing? So I got to say to myself, maybe there's still a chance that you can make some money on this. But the question is, when do you get in? Now, I pulled up the charts because, I'm just trying to seriously see what's going on with the Luna charts. And I will talk about this other token and how me and my patrons, I did a buy alert, and I said to them in the buy alert, look, this buy alert is not really treated as a buy alert. I do not recommend you getting in. But I told them what I was doing, and funny enough, the majority of them did it as well. And we made absolute insane gains. What was it, like 100 to 200x? I'm going to show you the token, hold on. But look at this. So right now, it's at the time of recording this video, $1. For me to consider buying this, and again, this is a high risk, let me just put $100, $200 in, and if it crashes, fine, I lost it kind of thing. But if it goes where the last one went, then we could see a nice 100x or something. I don't know. I'm just, again, it's not confirmed, but it has to come back down to these levels here. At least I want to start seeing Terra Luna. Whether it does or not, I don't know, but it has to come down to this 30-cent mark. If it comes down to 30 cents, I might put something in. And let me just show you this token before, because like I said, Iron Finance Iron was the pegged USDT to Iron Titanium's token, Titan, right? And this had a mega crash. And when you look at the charts, right, now for as long as it can extend, it just flat lines out. But I tried to push it in. If you look down here, I tried to move this margin in so we're closer towards when it just crashed. Because when this crashed, and I remember saying to my patrons, I was like, guys, this sounds crazy. Stupidly risky. Do not do it. I don't recommend you doing it, but I think I'm going to buy some Titan. I put $4 in. My $4 went to $400. I wish I'd put $4,000 because I would have 100x my money. And I can't promise this is going to happen with Terra Luna. But look, take a look at this, right? So this is the Titan token that we bought a year ago. And the reason I'm bringing this video is because a few of the people asked me, are we going to do what we did with Titan? And then I thought about it and I thought, well, if I'm going to do that, I have to find a good low price entry and I have to feel confident to lose that money. And I can't run to anyone else if it fails and it falls further. So if it drops down to a certain price target, look at this, look. Just after the crash, right? Because when I zoom this in down here, you can see down here I can move the cog, not the cog, the whatever it is, the little socket thing, the slider. When I slide it just after the events of the crash, you can see where we bought, right? Now I'm gonna slide it forward. So, because I want to get rid of this, because you can't see, when you look at this flat line, you can't see no price action in the flat line. That's because of the price being too high. Look, let me bring it down, and then you see all the price action now. Hold on, let me zoom it in a bit. Almost. Here we go. This is where we bought. We bought down here, straight up. And look at this insane rally that Titan had after it. Now, I don't know how far this goes, but I do remember us making, 100x, and it shocked me completely. So this must have been the point here. When it just rallied up like crazy after the crash. Now, again, I can't promise this is going to happen with Terra Luna, but if it does, if you see it fall down to 30 cents or 50 cents, and then it starts to go back to, I don't know, 50 quid, we just don't know. You just don't know. But it could be insane gains. Even if it like 10x is your money, it could be insane gains. But again, this isn't financial advice. I just wanted to share this opinion with you. Short, sweet, and simple. If you liked it, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Do you like my videos on Terra Luna right now? Because this is seriously the talk of the whole crypto space. So, you know, I just think it's important to look. At some point, maybe, I don't know. I mean, this, you know, maybe we might see the wick come up and start seeing it rise again. But, you know, just be cautious if you're going to try something like this, because it is extremely high risk. So yeah, I'm just telling you what I'm planning to do. If you don't want to miss it, you know, if I try this out, become a patron, because you will see my buy alerts. And again, I don't recommend you doing it. But I do recommend you becoming a patron, because you see when I buy, sell, stake, all that stuff, all helpful information, loads of helpful information on here. And I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, this one down here. It gives you access, no, this one, access, you can see every time I buy, all the alerts, you see it all here. If you want that little bit more, I have a CEO tier, and it gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. I talk to them way before I do anything. Like I said, I've been discussing this in the group, saw the messages, talking about it. You know, I'm saying to them, let's see how far low it can go. If we're going to try this, let's see how far low it can go. So, you know, hopefully I get this video out to you in time as well so you guys can see it. But if you don't want to miss it, become a patron. My link is in the info section of all my videos. Just click it, join up. Let's see how we go on this. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.